Okay, so now we're going to do a few more together, and then there's going to be some that I'm going to have you do on this page. Okay, so remember, multiplying fractions, since it's just two basic fractions, we multiply the tops. 2 times 6 gives us 12. Multiply the bottoms. 3 times 10, which is 30. And then last step is to simplify. Since they're both even, we're going to divide by 2. So 12 divided by 2 is 6. 30 divided by 2 is 15. We can simplify again. We can divide by 3. So 6 divided by 3 is 2. 15 divided by 3 is 5. And then we cannot simplify anymore, so we get 2/5. Okay, so multiplying by a whole number. So remember, we put a 1 underneath the whole number, and then we multiply it like we normally do fractions. So we multiply 3 times 9, which is 27. Multiply the bottoms. 5 times 1 is 5. Again, we cannot have an improper fraction, so we're going to make it into a mixed number. So to do that, we divide 5 into 27. 5 goes into 27 5 times, which is 25. 27 minus 5 is 2. So now we build our fraction mixed number. So 5 is our whole number. That 2 goes on top of the fraction as our numerator, and then our denominator stays 5. We cannot simplify 2/5, so that is our answer. Okay, next one, we're going to do 3 and 10 times 2 over 4. So again, basic fractions, we're going to multiply the tops. 3 times 2 is 6. Multiply the bottoms. 10 times 4 is 40. So we're going to simplify. They're both even, so we're going to divide by 2. 6 divided by 2 is 3. 40 divided by 2 is 20. And we cannot simplify because 3 is odd. Okay, this next one, you to mark it out and then mark out this top one. Those are kind of really big numbers, and so I'm really just focusing on making sure you can do the smaller ones, smaller numbers. Okay, so last one we're going to do together is this one over here. So mixed numbers. So to do that, we do our Texas. So we'll multiply 3 times 2 is 6, plus 1 gives us 7. So 7, 2 on bottom. Now to the other side, 2 times 4 is 8, plus 3 gives us 11 over 4. Now we're able to multiply. So multiply the top. 7 times 11 is 77. 2 times 4 is 8. Now we're going to turn it into a mixed number because we cannot have an improper fraction. So to do that, we divide. So 8 goes into 77 9 times, which is 72. 77 minus 2 is 5. Now we build our mixed number. The 9 on top is our whole number. 5 is our remainder, it goes on top of the fraction, and then our denominator stays 8, and we cannot simplify that, so we get 9 and 5/8. Okay, so I want you to practice with these three problems: 1/5 times 3, 4/5 times 7/10, and 3/6 times 1/10 as practice.